In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the dotted halftone pattern effect in Photoshop CC. This is a popular technique that can add a unique, stylized look to your images, perfect for projects that need a comic book or retro feel. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned Photoshop user, you'll find these steps easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you need to add your image into Photoshop. Open the program and either drag your chosen image into the window or use the File menu at the top left corner to select Open. Navigate to where your image is stored on your computer, select it, and click Open. This will bring your image into the workspace, ready for editing. It's always a good idea to start with a high-resolution image, as this will ensure the final effect is clear and crisp. Once your image is loaded, we're going to apply the halftone effect. To do that, you'll want to navigate to the top menu and click on Filter. From the drop-down menu, hover over Pixelate, and then select Color Halftone. This is where the magic happens. A small window will appear, prompting you to input a value. For this tutorial, we're going to set it to 10. This setting controls the halftone's dot size. A lower number will give you smaller, more densely packed dots, which is ideal for more detailed images. On the other hand, a higher number will produce larger, more spaced out dots, great for bolder, graphic effects. For this example, the setting of 10 strikes a nice balance, offering a clear halftone effect without losing too much detail in the image. Once you've set the value, click OK to apply the effect. And there you have it. Your image should now be transformed with a stunning dotted halftone pattern. Take a moment to zoom in and check out the effect. If you're happy with the result, don't forget to save your work. Go to the File menu and select Save As. Choose your preferred file format and location on your computer. This will ensure your project is saved with all the changes you've made. To recap, we started by adding an image to Photoshop, then applied the color halftone filter with a setting of 10 to achieve our desired effect. The key to mastering this technique is experimenting with different dot sizes and images to see what works best for you. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now inspired to try out the dotted halftone pattern effect in your creative projects. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating.